Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing Biweekly Contest 107 on the Leetcode. I'm a little bit behind virtual contest. Finally got back to New York in a hopefully a little bit better state of mind and just physical state really. And my internet's actually reliable. Knock on wood, because I feel like sometimes it doesn't. Okay. So gonna do Biweekly Contest 107. Let's get to it, and yeah, hit the like button and subscribe button, join me on Discord, all that good stuff. And remember that each this is the live or live south portion of it. You can watch each explanation in his own video. I'll make a video for each farm. So yeah, all right. So let's go down slowly and not make the mistake I almost did. And yeah, all right, am I good? Yeah, okay, probably. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. I had to click an extra button. Alright. A distinct string. Pairs that can be formed from array words. What's a pair? Oh, that is by definition true. Oh, distinct only. Okay. Yeah, okay. I probably should have been faster on this one, but I don't think I... Oh man, so many typing issues. Oh, what am I clicking on? My mouse is a little bit funky. 210. Alright, let's go. Alright, no silly mistakes for the first one. Yay. Maximum possible length. Well, 50 is a small number. Trying to think whether I need DP. Maybe that's just the way to go. What's 50 cube? Oh, 50, yeah, 50 cube. Times 2, so yeah, that should be good. Alright, fine. Let's just do dynamic programming then. I don't think this is the best way, but still. Maybe there's a greedy, but I don't want to think about it. Worse than that. Let's see. X is AA. Pretty sluggish, to be honest. BB. Hi, baby. C is equal to AP. And A is... If it's 2, it's no good, right? So it's less than 2. I don't know if this is too slow or an overkill. It would be nice if I did this. 12 and 14. Let's go. What about time limit? Is it too much? Okay, fine. Okay. Join between the string. Okay, I mean, that makes sense. Except for the last character, or first, last, middle character thing. So basically you can either add to the front or add to the back. What are the things? N is equal to 1,000. And then you have the first character that matters and the last character, right? So 1,000 times A times B, 1,000 times 26 squared, what is that? What's 26 squared? Like, man, I don't have my constants in my head anymore. So 676k should be okay, right? What's length don't even matter, we just care about the first one. So same idea, I guess, dynamic programming. I gotta get better naming things, but so index, and then the first character and last, right? So first, last. Oops. So otherwise, yeah. And get min 0. I don't know. Like, I guess it doesn't even have to be a thing, right? And then now, so the words we can either add to the beginning or the end. So cost equal length of words, words of index, and then we can either add to first code. So if words of index, so if the first character is equal to the last character, then so best is equal to cost plus, no, let's just call it infinity. I think I'm lazy to think about that one. So okay, so we want to add it to the end, so we can either, so if the first character of the word is like the last character, then best is equal to min, best get min, index plus 1, the first doesn't change, well, unless the first is empty, so I have to be careful about that one. Maybe I should just change this, I don't know why I wrote it this way. Well, I was trying to be clever with the send node, but I think I'm trying to be too clever, and that's gonna bite me. Something like that, right? So okay, so then now, yeah, the first character doesn't change, and then you have word of -1 is the last character. We now add it to the cost -1 for being shorter, else we do the same thing, but now -1. The way I wrote it is very awkward though. If this is equal to the first, then we try adding it to the beginning. At the beginning, then it's root of 0, and then last plus cost minus 1. Otherwise, it's the same thing, but without the -1 benefit. And then we just return best, right? 426. Alright, count 0 request service. Log survivor, server ID and time. What am I looking at? So I'm not focused. Focus. Server ID. Okay, so that's when you guys serve request. What's X? X query sub I minus X. Array sub I with. So basically in the last X seconds or whatever it is. Let's take a look. No, is it a time event thing? So from 5 to 10, both servers. Oh, we have 3 servers. Okay. Are queries in increasing order? No, but we could sort it. This is a medium, in fact. Did I open this incorrectly? No, it's another medium. N is 10 to the 5th. Yeah, I think it's just all event stuff, right? So literally, we just have to keep track. So fine. So X is the sliding window, maybe. So basically, how do I structure this in a correct way? So 2 and 4, so we set up the 2. We know what happens at 2. Oh, am I just being dumb? Am I just like, for each n, for each queries? No, you can't do each n and then each query, because then that's way too slow. Oh wait, how many queries are 10 to the 5th? No, you still cannot do n times q. I guess that would have been obvious. Can you do sliding window? Man, I'm missing something. Seeing that this is a medium, that's not actually, like, it makes me put more pressure on myself. But how am I doing? Seems like I'm number 1 though. That seems dubious. Why server issues? Let's say I process these in order. I can't really keep a set things. So, and you can't really just do it at the beginning and the end either, huh? At every time interval. Okay, so how many servers get at least one request during the span? Maybe that's a better way of doing it. Right, so then you keep a set. You can, but you have to do a unit of those things. Man, I feel like I'm just confused a little bit. How many servers get at least one request? Is that an easier query? If I do sliding on X, what does that look like? We can normalize the numbers. It doesn't, well, maybe. Really struggling with this one. Is it a event-based thing? What happens if it's an event-based thing? At the beginning of the event, you go, okay, these are the servers that have a ping. They could go in and out. And X could be big, so you can go crazy on that. Huh. Server bus ID trying to visualize it a little bit. Okay, so instead of thinking about each server, we have to think about each log, right? Each log will block. Can I think about it in terms of X? There are a lot of log entries too, so we can't really just do the. So we have to do the queries have to reuse some information for it to be fast enough, even in order. And you can't even just take the min of a range because something just pop in and out like a sliding window, but this is no request during then, so the min is not good enough. If I have one server, what would I do? Well, one server, I just binary search every time. So that's probably not good. 1 and 4. What does one block out? So X is constant. We should take advantage of that. What does a log entry block out? So 4 blocks everything on from 4 to 6. So then it's just a union of all those things. Am I right? Alright, I think maybe that's it. Maybe I just confused myself too much. But they could overlap too, right? So that what if you have a 3 and a 4? And x is 2. They only log entries. Okay, I see. I think I'm confusing all the variables together. I think that's not that bad. If we do all the logs together on a server, and for each server, you can basically generate a range. And each server, meaning for each query. Okay, I think I get it now, but I still have to put it together. I think there's a couple of things. So I think we can just sort it. I don't think it matters. Maybe it does, but for server and time in logs, let's just put it together in a better way. I put it together in a better way, which is apparently using single variable names. Fine, Larry, you're so cool. Let's see. Okay, so now we have those server in a good place. And then for k and l keys, right? L sub k, we want to sort it, but we don't need it sorted. I think that's already sorted. And let's just sort anyway. So we just remove this one. Okay, so now we sorted. We want to say event is for. I want to say use x. This is terrible x name, but okay. For t and l sub k, we want to say the 2 events. We want to add 1 event. We want to add 1 event on t, and it times out on t plus x. Right, something like this. Yeah, okay. And then now we want to sort this event, and we want to say for t delta in events, okay, if current is equal to 0 and then delta is equal to +1, that's when we have to stop. Right, so the previous is equal to -infinity, say. I don't know that I think I'm doing it the right thing, but I feel like my implementation is a little bit off from what I want to do. But okay, that means that delta is a plus, right? So that you're going from a thing to an end. So that means that this server was available before. That means for queries, for queries, that means that we want to add one from -infinity to current, or to t minus 1. From previous to t minus 1. How do I do that? How I do that is actually using a binary index tree. Or a segment tree. Is that true? Do I need a binary segment tree? No. All I need to do, and we don't even need this yet, is do a prefix sum array. Okay. Prefix of previous, add 1. Prefix of t minus 1, subtract 1, and then previous. Okay, and then now current we added to delta, right? And then if current is equal to 0, meaning that it got from non-0 to 0, then now we can add previous is equal to either t or t plus 1. I may be a little bit screwy on this. Okay, right. Prefix is equal to whatever, and then this is so annoying to code, but I'm smart enough. Come on, Larry, believe in yourself. You got this. It's just grind. Okay. Okay, and then basically now we go through for key in prefix.keys, but this time we want it sorted. So current is equal to 0 again, and then now current we added by prefix of k, right? And now k, let's say last k is equal to negative infinity, right? Let's put this in a deck. And now while length of s queries is greater than 0 and s queries the top of the thing, the number on the top of the thing is, I don't know if this is less than or equal to. I have to I have a lot of potential for off by once, and the examples probably don't show a good job of it. Then s queries up to answer of this is equal to current. Are we? No, it should be current. And then s queries top pop left. Something like this. Maybe. Okay, maybe not. Alright, let's at least... I mean, I think the idea is maybe right. But like I said, there's so much potential for off by 1. So let's see. Let's print out the prefix first. Okay, so the prefix is 2 to negative infinity to 2 is 2. And there's negative 1 after. Did I have my indexes right? What is this? What is this? So from 5, why is this negative 1? Actually, the prefix array shouldn't have negative 1. This is a little bit awkward, actually. So if it's currently equal to 0 before the delta, then that means that delta will bring it to +1, meaning that the server is used. So that's okay. So that sounds good. But then after adding delta, this is going to be the previous. Is this right? So this is the beginning, but then the next one will kind of confuse this. So that's just weird. Oh wait, no, that's right. In theory, maybe. Huh. All right, let's point out events. This is a struggle, but okay, fine. Okay, so 3, 1, 8, 1. That's for server 1. That sounds right, maybe. What am I saying here? What am I saying here? Okay, so that's true, I think. But then, oh, I have to add another one from to infinity. Okay. So then now after all the events, okay, does this give me the right answer? It's giving me an answer. The first one's right, but I think that maybe that's just lucky. Because why would the prefix sum have -2 in it? Right? Oh wait, no, that's right, actually. No, this is right. I think I just forgot that I didn't collapse them yet. Okay, so that means and then at 10, oh, this is not sorted. So that means that from 5 to 10, there's none, okay. But this is still wrong. Because this should be actually, like, this is 0 servers, not the number of servers used. So given 10, it has 1 server. I guess no. Maybe that's just off by 1 then. Right, that's wrong, but maybe that's off by 1. T plus k is no good, so 5 to 10. Oh, this inclusive though, right? So actually I think this index is oh my god, I think I'm just debugging off by 1s at this point, because the 1 5, it should actually, okay, so the -1 should be this plus 1. I see. Okay, I mean, this is very weird, but maybe that's fine. But yeah, but this should have 2, so this is... So at 2 we change what? Oh, this is the prefix so 2, and then at 2 we change y. Why do we change at 2? Where does the 2 come from? Where? Oh, t minus, maybe from this one, t minus 1. So it comes from 3 being have to be counted. Okay, fine. So oh, I see. So this is actually for k and n, or range of n, to do the math properly. Maybe I could do the inverse of it, but I feel like that's harder. Okay, is equal to 0, we continue. Maybe that's good enough. I see. What we want to do basically previous of negative infinity, we add 1, infinity, we subtract it. Okay. I see. Okay. Well, oh, not previous, prefix. Alright. Now we got the query. For query 10 is right because from 5 to 10 we have 1 machines used. Wait, what? Okay, so, 1 machine free. Okay, so this is 3 machine free. 2 machine, 1 machine free. Maybe I got this wrong. Maybe this isn't. And now why does it think it's 2? Because at 10, oh, it should be 11, right? What? Oh, no, that's why it's 11. 5 to 11 is 10. I think I did this a little bit wrong then. So, because we did it so that this thing is to the next number, right? I think I need something like this first. I think that's right. That's the stuff. That's the juice. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, wait. Okay. I think this is good. Alright, let's give it a submit. I don't know if this is good. I want to say I think this is good, but no. No. But it's way easier to make it off by 1 is what I was going to say. Okay, what is this? Number of 0 requests. At 28 and 9, definitely this server 4. But why do I think? Oh, jeez. So for request of 28, I don't need some of this stuff. Hang on. Uh, 28 is 3, so why do I think it's 4? $29. Off by 1s are killing me. Okay, so then now at 29.4. Did I mess that up? Oh no! Oh wait. What? 29 is 4. That is actually wrong, maybe. Depends how I read it, actually, but we added afterwards. That's why. That's a little bit weird. Fine. Let's take a look. I didn't really look at the thing. Okay, so you start 4. What is going on here? Is there 7 servers? No. Something is really wrong, actually. Oh no, this is just not sorted, that's why. Okay, fine. So at 4, so this we're at 0. Going to 4, we're at 4. We're at 4 before that. Okay, so that's what this is saying. So 19 to 23 is 4. Is that true? So okay, so you, yeah. No, I mean I guess I see why, but okay. Let me take a look. So 21 means 20. Something's a little bit off. Why is 21 should be like there should be a 30 thing, right? Like 21 to 30. Why is this prefix thing not looking right at all? Oh, I'm an idiot, am I? This is one indexed. That's why. That is a very silly mistake if true. Oh my god. I think I changed it in the last second thing and then I just, oh man. I was like, I don't get it. Why is it just not processing? Oh, but now this is wrong, so I think. So let's not be hasty in submission. Though I fixed this, but not this part. Why is it -1? How can you even be processed? Oh, -1 just means it's not processed. Oh, what? Why is there a random 4 lying around? What is it? 3? Prefix keys? No, that should be good. Why is it? I did fix it, I think, but not this one. They're just all unavailable? Okay, fine. It's, so many silly mistakes somewhere. Okay. Okay, fine. This is so silly. So much debugging. And 4 and 3. Yeah, this is what I was worried about. But how does this even come up? Did I mess up something somewhere? So the events is... Yeah, these events are fine. Oh, these are the events that are not so fine. -1, add 1. Oh, because I don't combine these. Yeah, okay. That's a easy fix. I was just trying to think whether there's another way to fix it, but I'm just being dumb. Fine. I thought I handled this way, but I think what I need to do actually, because you're supposed to handle the plus first instead of minus. I think that's the other way of doing it. Can I write it in a cleaner way? Yeah, fine, just do it. Man, it took so long on this one. Wait, why am I doing it this way, actually? And then now I can just do events. I guess I was thinking of someone else. I don't know. Alright. Let's hope this is right this time. One index. Silliness. Spent so long debugging one index, but that was another bug, so there's one bug one way or the other. Hopefully this is right. Oh no, really? Huh. Wow. I mean, it's probably another off by one, but that other off by one was pretty sad. Let's see. This one. So query 5 is 20. Query 5 is 20. Yeah, did I get an off by one? I guess so. What is going on here? So 0 to 21 to 20 is... Yeah, that makes sense. What am I doing wrong? It's 6, right? And we query... So K, what is K? I have an off by one on K. K is the last number. It's both the last. I'm doing it weird. Okay. I don't think this is right either. Because I think now it handles it slightly differently. But I'm handling some stuff inconsistently with the off by one, because basically so this should be, no, this should be, I think it's something like this. Yeah, okay, I think I handled the negative one inconsistently. Yeah, okay, fine. That is a hard one to handle. I mean, maybe it is. Maybe it's not. It's just that I'm bad. All right, let's go submit. Please. Okay. I mean, the algo is pretty okay. I think I got the algo pretty okay, but man, it was tough getting it right. A lot of implementation silliness. Yeah. That's all I have for this virtual contest. Let me know what you think. I think Q1 to Q3 was pretty okay. Q4 I just struggled with a lot with yeah, just with just getting it right, to be honest. I had the idea pretty quickly, but it is what it is, right? So yeah. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments and all that stuff. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.